Hi guys, welcome to the Studentship YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make student beans and custard. I'm talking about the delicious beans and custard. So the first thing you have to do is to, you wash your beans because you have to select and remove the dirt. After washing your beans, you put it into a pot, a clean pot, because you have to parboil the beans to make it tender and soft. So when you put your beans in a pot, you have to put your potash because it makes it cook well. Then you add sufficient quantity of water. Then you put it in your gas cooker. As students, you're probably using a gas cooker. So after you parboil, you put in a filter. You wash and rinse with water. By the time you wash, you parboil again and start cooking again. So now I have my pepper because we want to cook this beans recipe. So you need fresh pepper. So at this time you have to slice your pepper into tiny bits with your knife and a flat plate. And also your onions. You need onions for this beans recipe. So some other things you need is your crayfish, your maggi, and your salt. For seasoning, and of course palm oil. So you can see the beans is done. So I'm going to add my palm oil to a pot, a separate pot. You just want to steam the pot a little bit. You don't have to fry or bleach the palm oil. So just allow the oil to heat up. Then after heating up, you add your sliced onions and your pepper to the palm oil. You just stir and let it fry for some time. So you are seeing it is frying now. So if you've not liked this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. The next thing, you add your maggi or seasoning to taste. Then add your crayfish. You can use the grounded crayfish preferably. This is just a student beans recipe. Now add your salt. Add a little quantity of salt. You have to be very careful with the salt so it does not become salty. So at this point in time, you can start adding your cooked beans. You see, because we've cooked the beans before, so I'm adding the beans to the pot. And you mix very well. You make sure it's mixed very well. So because there's still little, so I can still add little quantity. So just make sure that the beans you add is sufficient quantity. Add sufficient quantity of beans. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now that is all about the beans. So now I'm going to make my custards, because this food goes well with custard. You eat it when you are going for your morning lectures. So making custard is simple. Just add the custard to a bowl, a deep bowl. Make sure you add sufficient quantity. Then you add a little quantity of water just to mix. Our custard is easier to prepare, unlike akamu that requires a lot of diligence, because akamu can disgrace anybody, can disgrace you at any point in time. But custard is actually better. It's easier to prepare. You can see the thing is actually kind of stiff. So you just make sure you mix it very well. Mix it very well. So you can see it's mixed very well. It's still going. I'm still trying to stir it. So you can see the boiling water. This is the water that is boiling. So you add the water to the mixed custard. You can see it will now congeal, kind of. So it has now formed. So you mix. Very important, you mix to get a uniform mixture. After mixing, you can put in a plate, then you eat with your sugar or honey and your milk. So this is just all you need to know about preparing student beans and custard. So guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel.